Hello everyone. Now, today we are going to see the topic Euclid division lemma from lesson first real number standard 10. Today's question is that show that this is a very simple question and it is very important. Example number first, show that every positive even integer is of the form 2q and every positive integer is of the form 2q plus 1, where q is some integer. Now see, to solve this question we have to follow some steps. First of all, understand that every positive even integer, what they said, even integer, is of the form 2q, and every positive, sorry I forgot to write odd here, it will be a positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1. This is odd. Now see how we find out, how we just write the solution for this question. Solution, first of all you have to write down let a be any positive integer. What I said, just take any positive integer, and I said that is a, that is a be a any positive integer. I don't tell that it is even or odd, it's a only integer. Now here I am taking b as 2. Why I am taking b as 2? Because here it is 2q and 2q plus 1. Okay, so that's I am taking b equals to 2. You just have to choose according your question. So I take b equals to 2, and q is quotient and r is remainder. Okay, so therefore what we can say, by Euclid's division lemma. What we can say by Euclid division lemma? We know that by Euclid division lemma, a equals to bq plus r, where r is greater than or equals to 0 but less than, it's greater than or equals to 0 but less than b. So here we know that, therefore a is a, b means 2, q I don't know, plus r, and r is here greater than or equals to 0 but less than 2. So when r is equals to 0, so we get here a equals to 2q plus 0, so which is a equals to 2q equals to 2q, sorry I am just right here, equals to 2q And in the other side, when r is equals to 1, a equals to 2q plus 1. So now q is a multiple of 2, that is even, therefore this is an even number. So a equals to 2q is even when r equals to 0, and a equals to 2q plus 1 is odd when r equals to 1. So all even number is denoted by 2q and all odd number is denoted by 2q plus 1. So finally we can write, therefore every positive even integers is of the form 2q, and odd integers is of the form 2q plus 1. I hope everyone understand this topic. Next example we will see in the next lecture. Thank you so much.